Hi everyone, it is Ivan from the Master Bundles team. It is not a secret that Instagram is the fastest growing social network in the world. That is why any designer, any business of any size, from those who create design as a part-time and to those who are full-time designers, strives to use Instagram for promoting their products. And many designers ask, does it really matter? We say yes. It will help you to find more customers, and in this video we'll tell you 4 main reasons why you should have an Instagram account for your design stores. Reason number 1. Advertising your service and products. Doesn't matter what design products you offer. Nowadays you do it with the help of visual content, since every marketplace requires you to create preview images. Instagram is an ideal platform for visual content. There is nothing easier than uploading existing previews or photos and sharing your real life experience with your friends and potential audience of newcomers. Instagram pages have higher retention rates than any other platform because it is a part of every customer's life, and they will definitely notice your new products that you publish. Reason number 2. One more business inside your business. If you create additional content like guides or live streams, maybe your Instagram page can turn to one more side business that not only attract potential customers but also attract potential artists who might be interested in buying advertising at your page. In this way, you not only increase attention to your products but generate potential passive income. Reason number 3. Creating the story and visual atmosphere of the brand. When selling designs, it is very important to save your identity. If you are working in a team, it is a nice chance to meet your clients with the authors of your design studio. That is the way you can build a trusting relationship with your clients. They will feel it is a real human behind this project, so your product's conversion rate will be higher. Reason number 4. Direct communication with the customer. You have the ability to suggest more products by answering questions in messages or even comments on your posts. People often go to the social network to search for products they need. Take advantage of this tradition of today, and you and your design stores will go up. Instagram isn't just for fun. Here's your target audience, which means that your business needs to be present here. Don't forget to add a link to your vendor page at Master Bundles into your Instagram profile to help your customers find your products. If you are willing to start selling your design at Master Bundles and get more detailed tips via email or from your personal manager, find Sell Your Deal link below the video. Thank you for watching this video. Hit the like button and subscribe on our YouTube channel for future updates and more useful videos. It was Ivan. Bye bye.